Hey guys, just a quick video.
How are you?
I moved some plants around in here. You can see over here it's kind of empty.
Oh, for the first time?
Sorry so loud, I got a family going crazy here. There's Mr. Parrot. All the tiger barbs are over here in the corner.
Wow.
Because the convict had laid eggs. She laid eggs and she's protecting her house. They're so pretty. She's in here with eggs. And a little Cory cat. There's these guys. They're so pretty. I love these. I have a lot of them. There's some over here too. There's a lot of babies in here. There's a whole bunch. A lot of snails too. I started this tank over again. We'll see where this one goes. It's cleaning. This one down here has got frogs in it. There's my buddy.
Hey, did Jen tell you about my dad? How crazy is that?
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.